I'm Meghali from Just Tutors, and in this video we are going to learn about symmetry. Let's discuss the objectives first. First, we will learn about how to identify symmetrical and non-symmetrical shapes, then symmetrical lines, and then we will learn about closed and open figures. Let's move ahead and let's have some warm-up questions. You can pause the video to try these questions, and once you are done, please resume the video to check your answers. Now you can check your answers. Pat your back for your good efforts and congratulations if you have got all correct. Let's move ahead and let's begin with symmetry. Let's see how to identify symmetrical and non-symmetrical shapes. As we can see that it's non-symmetrical, which means it is just opposite of symmetrical shapes. So if a shape is cut into half such that one half is the exact mirror image of the second half across the symmetrical line, then we say that it is a symmetrical shape. Let's take an example. In this one we have a line, and this line is dividing this shape into two equal halves. This one and this one, they both are the exact mirror images of each other, which means that this shape is symmetrical. If we look at this one, we've noticed that this half is not an exact mirror image of this half, which means it is a non-symmetrical shape. Here we have a question: are these shapes symmetrical along a symmetrical line? Explain. So yes, all the shapes are symmetrical over here, because in each shape the first half is exact mirror image of the next half, which means that they all are symmetrical shapes. As we have learned about symmetrical and non-symmetrical shapes, let's learn about line of symmetry or symmetrical line. Here we have some examples, and the symmetrical line cuts the shape into two equal halves. As we can say, in rectangle we have two symmetrical lines horizontally and vertically, and they have divided the rectangle in two equal halves like this. And it shows that we can have more than one symmetrical line. As in equilateral triangle we have 3 symmetrical lines, and in square we have 4 symmetrical lines. Let's move ahead to the next topic, which is closed and open figures. According to their names, a closed figure starts and ends at the same points, whereas an open figure does not start and end at the same point. Or we can say, as we can see, it is closed, so it's a closed figure, and this figure is not closed, it is an open figure. For that, let's have some more questions. Are these shapes open or closed? So as we can see that this figure does not start and end at the same point, so it is an open figure. This is also an open figure, and the middle one, this figure, is a closed figure. Alright, so it's practice time. We have 3 questions over here, and first you need to identify the symmetrical and non-symmetrical shapes. So for that you will tick the symmetrical shapes. In question number 2, draw the line of symmetry. And in question number 3, tick the closed shape. So to try these questions, you need to pause the video, and once you're done, please resume the video to check your answers. You can now check your answers from here. So isosceles trapezoid, isosceles triangle, ellipse and rectangle and circle are the symmetrical shapes. We can draw a line of symmetry like this in these 2 alphabets. And these are the closed shapes. Pat your back for your good efforts and congratulations if you have got all correct. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.